So hitting the road early this morning. I'm gonna run up to St. Louis, get a future project car for the channel. Got started entirely too early in my opinion. Andrew here called me and said, let's leave at 5. I said, let's not. Made it up to Springfield. Gonna stop here at the new Buc-ee's they just built. Go inside, spend entirely too much money, like as you should at every right. Buc-ee's.
Yeah, that's a big beaver.
So after rolling the raliart last year in Monette, we figured it was too far gone, lost cause type thing. So we went ahead and started trying to part it out. Andrew actually found an old boy up in St. Louis on Marketplace that he thought he was trying to sell a car. And when Andrew got a hold of him, no, he just needed a tranny for the car. We happen to have a tranny. So deal was struck. Old boy was going to come down by the tranny office, but just, you know, stuff happens as it usually does. Turns out he now wants to try to sell the car to us. So we're going to go up here, take a look at it, make sure it's good to go. If it is, we're going to drag the thing home, stick our tranny back in it, and possibly make it into a rally car for next year.
All right, well, we're gonna hit the road.
It's just 5 more hours to go, that's all.
Well, we got the car here in the shop. We're starting to get it tore apart, getting it ready for the next race, or the first race, I should say. But definitely something been living in this car. Got a little bit of a rat nest or some nest in the back seat here. Letting Kyle handle all that dirty stuff.
I think it's a woodchuck.
I would definitely wear some gloves.
So after we got the car back home, we decided to throw the transmission in it, and then we figured, what the heck, we'll just make a race car out of it. So we started tearing the new car down while also dismantling the old Battle Cat. We figured we'd salvage as much of the old Battle Cat as we could. So in the end, we ended up bringing the cage, the transmission, the wheels and tires, the racing seats, a lot of the safety equipment, just anything we could. We brought it over, stuck it in the new car, and got Andrew behind the wheel of another car. And in typical sideshow fashion, a lot of the progress didn't get filmed, but here's a pretty cool shot of me pulling the roof off of it. So after more than a couple good solid days of work, I'd say she's ready to go. The Battle Cat, or what do you want to call this one? This is Battle Cat 3?
Technically, yeah.
Technically, Battle Cat 3. So, got her done. Andrew wants to go racing. There really ain't no races to be had this weekend, no enduros at least. So we found a class up at Nevada called the Mini Stocks. We're gonna go try to get into it. I'm not really getting any word back from the track crew as to what the rules are for that class, but we kind of fit it, so we're just going to show up and hopefully they let us in.
Andrew? Well, we're out here in Nevada Speedway today. This is kind of where it all started. This was our first go at the old dirt track racing. And Kyle was running. Ended up braking, I don't know, a quarter of the way in or so, so we're going to be trying to give this another go. This is a different class tonight. We're racing mini stocks, very similar to enduro, other than less laps, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Don't know. Track looks good though.
It's especially a big day today, being Andrew's birthday.
What is my birthday? Yes.
He said he wanted to go racing, so when someone says they want to go racing on their birthday, hell, if they want to go racing, period, I go racing.
Right.
So hopefully we'll win this thing tonight. Get the birthday victory.
Fingers crossed, you know.
Where's the cameraman when you need it? That's another thing. It's Andrew's birthday. We're here celebrating the man, and we're down 2 crew members. I gotta be cameraman, crew chief, grunt. I I got to do everything, not but drive.
Cheerleader, everything.
Cheerleader, I got to do it all.
Dirt talks to me. Smell it.
What's it saying?
It's saying it's a good night to go racing.
Getting suited and booted, ready to go. It's been a while, huh?
Been a while.
About a year.
Has it been that long?
I flipped it June 22nd last year, and you were a month before me, your last race, so.
Well, no, but I was in the car though. We ran a test and tune. I mean, I've been in the car.
I guess you have been literally.
Yeah, I've been in the car. The new car anyway.
Full flag green conditions.
No, that's true. Yes.
That's the test.
Well, sit in her, make sure she still fits.
Feel back at home?
Oh man, home sweet home.
Back in the saddle. Now them's gonna be tight because they fit me last, so.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm a little.
I put on a little weight since last time.
Little smaller than you, but yeah. You make it fit. How was she?
Oh, it was like a skating rink out there.
It looked slick.
Yeah. Like I was just like, I mean, feathering the throttle. Like, what? We have 3 laps?
Something like that. Just 8 laps.
I know, but still, like I was expecting 8. Like, yeah, she rough. Rough, to say the least.
Bit of an interesting development tonight. Andrew's class getting ready to head out there for their first heat, and Andrew actually couldn't get the car started. Fucking battery dead. So we're back there thrashing. They're lining up, getting ready to take the green out there. Coming to 3, and fucking power goes out at the track. So I don't know if that's serendipity or what, but he's in the car now. We got her fired. I said, pull out there, try to find your spot.
Pull out on the track?
Yeah, just kind of creep up through there.
No one's moving.
They didn't take green.
Huh?
They didn't take green. It's still your spot.
That's what the track guy said?
There ain't no track guy up there, but if someone stops you, just tell them this is my heat. Well, didn't quite turn out the way we wanted it to. Apparently the green had been thrown. There's about 2 laps in when the lights went out, so tailback for the A main it is. What's wrong with it, Andrew?
We can't get it to start. We have found a workaround. I mean, we can push start it.
We did push start it.
It's just very inconvenient.
Again. Critter might have got some wires in here. So we're thinking this might be a starter relay problem. Only problem is a lot of the car here does not have the diagrams on the fuse block and relay, so at this point power's still out, so may not even have no more racing to do tonight, but when it comes our time, I guess we're just going to push starter and figure it out later, unless we just get really bored and figure it out at some point here. Hey Andrew, lights are back on. Still don't get to run though. That's okay. We'll be tailback. Amen. Just be a story. We come from the back, win it all.
Right.
On the birthday. Birthday boy wins it from the back. No qualifying. No heat. No problem.
Nope.
Xander, we start dead last.
Dead last, that's where I like it.
That means you can only do better.
Correct.
You can only go forward. So do just
15 laps.
15 laps, 15 cars. Or more.
Or more.
Or more.
18 cars. We need a car a lap. I think I can do it.
Go fast, turn left.
Exactly. Repeat. worst case scenario, steering wheel came off again. All I felt was just floppy dick here in my hands. Next thing I know, I'm in the infield. This is all busted. Oh, pisses me off. I was going good too.
Steering column. Dude, you had to have been top 10. You were just picking them off with one on the lap, like you said.
I know. Very frustrating, but hey, that's racing, you know.
That's why they call it racing, not winning.
Right. Sucks, but it is what it is. Yep, definitely gonna need that steering column now.
Still a winner in my book.